Well, a poet has been sentenced to death in Saudi Arabia over something he wrote. CNN's Jenson reports on the unusual case and the outrage growing among prominent writers right across the world.
Those who have met him describe Ashraf Fayadh as a poet and writer, brimming with hope that his work and others he curated would help develop the nascent art scene in Saudi Arabia. Today, Fayadh is sitting in a Saudi prison, facing the death penalty. The Saudi-born Palestinian poet, seen here on state TV, was charged this month with insulting Islam and apostasy, mostly through his writing. Human Rights Watch says Fayadh was first arrested in 2013 after he argued with a man in a cafe over his poetry, and a complaint was filed with the Saudi ultra-conservative religious police that he insulted Islam. Later, he was initially sentenced to 4 years in prison with 800 lashes, charged with having inappropriate relations with the opposite sex, after police discovered photographs on Fayadh's phone, posing with women at an art gallery. An appeal by prosecution is what led to the recent conviction of death. Now, CNN has reached out to Saudi authorities for comment on Fayadh's case, but there has been no response. Human rights groups have expressed outrage at the case, saying Fayadh was exercising personal freedoms of expression. A London-based association of writers condemned the verdict in an open letter calling for Fayadh's release. Britain's poet laureate Carol Ann Duffy and Syrian poet Adonis were two of many prominent writers to sign. The monarchy is facing increasing international criticism over its opaque judicial system. Earlier this year, a Saudi blogger received the first set of a sentence of 1,000 lashes following a conviction for insulting Islam online. That man, Raif Badawi, also received 10 years in prison. Many death sentences in Saudi are conducted by beheading. Fayadh, though, may yet have hope. He can appeal to Saudi's highest court within 30 days. Jenson, CNN, Abu Dhabi.
Meantime, Saudi Arabia is changing its election laws by allowing women to campaign for public office for the first time. 900 women have registered to run. Some are proudly showing off their paperwork. But women will only be allowed to participate in elections at the local government level. The first one in which women can vote will be held on December 12th. Well, that does it for us here at the International Desk. I'm Lynda Kinkade, but don't go anywhere. Marketplace Africa is up next.